Warm welcome students of this academy. Today I am going to share with you exercises of chapter 2 from your book Social Science. Okay, so let's discuss about this one. So imagine you live on a rock shelter like the one shown on page number 14 about 12,000 years ago. Your uncle is painting one of the inner walls of the cave and you want to help him. So will you mix the colors, draw the lines, fill in the colors, and what are the stories he might tell you? So picture shown on page number 14. Look at there. I would like to fill color like this. So let's recall question number 1. Complete the sentences. So hunters gatherers choose to live in caves and rock shelter because they provided shelter from rain, heat and wind. Grasslands developed around 12,000 years ago. Okay, so grassland developed around as years ago, 12,000 years ago. Question number 2. Why do people who grow crops have to stay in the same place for a long time? So what's the answer of this one? People who grow crops have to stay in the same place for a long time to look after the plants, watering, weeding, driving away animals and birds till the grain ripened. Question number 3. Why do archaeologists think that many people who lived in Megarth were hunters to start with and that herding became more important later? So at Megarth, many animals' bones were found, and bones of not only wild animals such as the deer and pig, but also bones of sheep and goat were found. That is why archaeologists think that many people who lived in Megarth were hunters to start with and that herding became more important later. Let's discuss the question number 4. Why did the hunter-gatherers travel from place to place and what ways are these similar to different from the reason for which we travel today? So answer number 4. Hunter-gatherers traveled from one place to another in search of food. When food at one place is exhausted, then they travel to another place where they can find the food. Nowadays, people travel not for food but for other reasons such as they like traveling, they want to explore new places, they travel to meet relatives and friends. Question number 5. List 3 ways in which hunter-gatherers used fire. See page number 15. And would you use fire for any of these purposes today? Answer number 5. Earlier hunters-gatherers used fire for cooking, clearing of forests, saving from wild animals. Yes, we do use fire for cooking. Okay, let's see the question number 6. List 3 ways in which the lives of farmers and herders would have been different from that of hunter-gatherers. Their main difference between farmers, herders and hunters-gatherers are as follows. Farmers, herders, men lived in one place for a long time, while the hunter-gatherers used to stay in one place for very little time. Farmers, herders used to cultivate their livelihood and raise animals, while the hunter-gatherers were dependent on weather-friendly nature's resources and hunting. Farmers, herders used to make huts for their living, while hunter-gatherers lived in caves and tubers. Let's see the question number 7. List 2 tasks that are performed by both men and women at present. List another 2 that are performed only by women and 2 that are performed only by men. Compare your list with that of any 2 of your classmates. Do you notice any similarities, differences in your list? Answer 7. 2 tasks that are performed by both men and women. Teaching in schools, colleges and other instructions. Next one, driving a car. 2 tasks that are performed by only women. To take care of kids, household works like making meal and cleaning the house. 2 tasks that are performed by only men. Driving large vehicle like trucks, buses, trains, etc. Working as carpenter. As well as look at their question number 8. List the cereals that you eat. Do you grow the cereals you eat? If yes, so draw a chart to show the stages in growing them. If not, so draw a chart to show how these cereals reach you from the farmers who grow them. Cereals means anaj. Okay. Answer number 8. Do this question as per your choice. So you have to write this one. You have to do. Okay. You have, because here is you have to just draw a chart. What about this one? A chart of cereals. Understood this one? So you have to do this work yourself.